Great. So, guys, today we'll be starting with data analyst part, right? Priyanshu sir will be giving you a demo on data analyst, and if you are good with whatever Priyanshu sir teaches, then Priyanshu sir will continue to teach you all the topics related to data analyst, right? So first we'll be starting with the class. Uh, you all guys can see how the class goes on, what all things Priyanshu sir teaches, and after that we'll discuss what all things are going to be there in your future classes, right? So today, first we will be starting with a introduction to data analyst part, right? Or you can say you will be getting an orientation for data analyst. So Priyanshu sir, I hope I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so you can start with the orientation for data analyst. After that, I'll discuss all the things with these students.
Uh, okay, guys. So, good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is clear. So, let's say we will start with the data analyst. What is actually data analyst is, and what are the things we are gonna learn, and why are we even learning these things? Okay. So, I hope is my screen visible? Hello. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, yes. Right now I'm seeing.
Okay, guys. So see. So let's say what actually is a data analyst is. So what happens in data analysis? You can say in data analysis, what you can say, there are many analyst fields right now in the industry. You can see you have heard about business analyst, data analyst, financial analyst, and many, many more things. So what basically these things actually are, let's say there is this tree which is known as data science. And in this tree, there are many branches. One of its branches is data analyst. Another branch is business analyst, or you can say financial analyst. Okay, risk analyst, and many, many more. Any analyst field you have heard till now. Okay, now let's say or when you have a tree of different branches, so all of these branches have the same you can say properties. What different is their shapes? Every branch have different shape, है ना? So same thing here. All these data analysts, business analysts, all of them will have the same skill set. Almost 99% things will be same. Just 1% of domain knowledge is different. Domain knowledge is, let's say, if you're working as a data analyst, you're working more on tech side. If you are working on a business analyst, as a business analyst, then you will be working on more business side ideas. If you are working as a financial analyst, you will be working on the same skill set, but with a finance knowledge in it. That thing is known as domain knowledge. Okay, and it doesn't matter actually. Let's say if you are a data analyst and there is a role of business analyst, you can easily apply for that. No issue in that. Okay, sure. Now let's see why we even want to learn these skills. Okay, so let's say today we will be starting with SQL. So what this SQL is, this SQL is server query language. Okay. Take a second, guys, just a second. Hello. Guys, is my drawings visible?
Yes,
Okay.
it's visible.
Okay, okay. So guys, see, this SQL means server query language. So why this server query language actually we needed? Let's say right now we know that every company is generating tons of GBs of data. Okay. And if we store it offline, it will cost us the storage money. You know, like hard drive. Okay, but you know that cost a lot. And how much you will store in hard drive? The thing is also here. So for that, we all know that there is something known as cloud server, an online server where we put our data. Even we, as in Google Drive, Google Photos, and the Apple Cloud, in these storages, online cloud platforms, we store our data. So same like that, companies made their own server in which they store their data. So let's say if you are a person who don't know SQL and you want to work, okay, so how will you work? Let's say this is you, a person who don't know SQL. First, he will go into the server, he will get the data, he will download it, then put it into its computer, then work on it, then save it, then upload it back. Okay. But if there is a person who knows SQL, then what he can do, he can directly go into the server, directly work there and come back. So which process is much easier? This one, the person with SQL, and let me tell you, for data analysis, you can say your SQL skills are 80 to 60%, 60 to 80% depends. Your interview crack ratio is depends on 60 to 80% on your SQL skills. Okay, guys. Hello.
Your
Hello.
voice is not clear. Excuse me. Can you please repeat it again? Maybe the
Hello. The thing is, your SQL skills are 60 to 80% important in cracking the interview. Is it clear now?
Yes, now clear.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so this much important is SQL. It is known as server query language. It helps you directly interact with your server and get the work done by writing some code of queries. Okay? Anyone any doubt?
Yes.
Okay, sure. Let's move on. After that, let's say we have something known as Excel. Excel. So now you must be thinking, why Excel? Excel is so boring. Excel, we have used Excel. Excel is not that good, and no. But let me tell you, 50 to 60% of the industry still uses Excel. Okay. Why Excel? See, whatever you do with all of these skills in data analysis, you can do in Excel very simple without coding and just with using some clicks. So now you must be thinking, if Excel is so good, why we are learning all these skills? The main thing is Excel is a tool. Excel is a tool, and tools have limitations, but skills don't have any limitations. That's the very specific reason. Okay, that's the very specific reason why we are using Excel. But see, guys, as I told you, Excel is a tool. Tools have limitations. So what is the limitation of Excel? The limitation is when you get so many big data, let's say even if you get a data point of 1 lakh values, it will lag. It will not be able to handle big data. It is good when you have small data, okay? When you have small data, it is the best tool out there. Hello?
Yes, Priyanshu.
Yes, we can hear.
Okay. After it, you will learn something known as Power BI. So what this Power BI actually is, it is a visualization tool, or you can say business intelligence tool. What this tool is used for, actually, let's say you cleared your data, you done all the things you want to do in your data, you find the trends, but when you won't able to teach some other person about this, then it is not good. And let's say you work on a data set for 1 week, you understand the data set, you done all the things in the data set. But let's say now you won't even able to teach this to your manager or tell about your data to your managers, and what's the benefit of that thing. So what Power BI do? Power BI will help us making beautiful dashboards very easily. Okay. Power BI is a tool from Microsoft Office, and it is one of the best tool for making dashboards. Okay. So guys, tell me, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, we see. Yes.
Just a second. Let me share something else. Can you see this Google screen?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
See. These kinds of dashboards by which you can share all the informations are you will be making. You will be making these dashboards. Can you see? See all the graphs, and it looks very beautiful also.
Yes.
Appealing, watching appealing. So this is what you will able to make by the help of Power BI. See. And it's very simple. I'm telling you, it's very easy. It is one of the best. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Now, anyone, any doubt regarding anything, please ask your doubts.
Actually, I have one doubt. So in the, SQL, like which technology we will use, which software?
See, there are many softwares for everything, but see, it's not about the software which you will use. It's all about the things you will learn, because coding will be working. Let's say you learn SQL. So there are 10 softwares for SQL. Okay. But it doesn't matter which software you are using, because at the
But
end of the line, see, please let me
yeah,
complete. At
sure.
the end of the line, whatever you writing in one software, it will be written as same in all the other software also. Okay. So I basically use SQL Workbench to teach students. Okay. Hello.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay, clear?
But
Yes.
I just wanted to know, because of some software, there are some settings and everything will be changed, right? So that is the reason.
So that things are very minor things, and you can always YouTube for errors. Look, guys, these installing, I think installing a software was difficult till 2016. Okay, after 2016, I don't think any kind of error is difficult. Why? Because before 2016, we don't have a proper access to the internet. So we always wanted how to install this software, what to do and what to not to do. Now, there is so much content on YouTube, as we all
Yeah.
know. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to install some different software, you just need to write it names, and almost 50 videos will come up in front of you. You can watch anyone. If that doesn't work, you can watch the second one. If that also doesn't work, you can just search that error on Google, and they even get you out of it. Because see, guys, I use MacBook. Okay. I use MacBook. See, okay. So in MacBook, there are, the softwares are yeah, maybe paid, or they are not cracked, or only cracked software. So installing cracked softwares in MacBook is so much of a hassle, but I am able to do it very easily because of YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone else, any doubt regarding the orientation I have given till now?
Oh no, I'm good.
Okay. Chalo. So, okay, if no one have doubt, so guys, chalo. Can you see this SQL screen? Welcome to SQL kind of thing.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the software which you will be installing in order to learn SQL with me. So let's see how it works. Let's say there is my SQL connections. Okay. You can just click on this plus symbol. Okay. After installing this, it will same look like this, or maybe it will put you here like this can open, this can open. You don't have to worry. Just go to this home and click on this dolphin option. After that, my SQL connection, just go here, any connection name, let's say data analyst. Okay, click enter, and you can see this makes a connection for us. When you click on it, when you're installing this software, any SQL software, they will always ask you for a password. Remember that password properly, okay? Because that is the password for getting into the server. Okay, so let's say my password, I'm writing it just now, and that, see, it opens. So when you open the software, you only will be seeing, let's say, these kind of things. Only these 3, 4. Let's say this one also. Okay. So this is how your software will look. Here there are some options, and then there is right side, which is automatic content for help, but we don't need it. Here it will show you the servers which you have, or database. Here there is nothing, and there is query option. So let's start. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so let's do one thing. Let me open a file for you. Let's go here, open SQL script. I think that file is here. SQL is like a logical English. Okay, logical English. See, you don't need to see anything, just see the first line. Let's say first we want to create our database. Okay, so in English, what we want to say if we are creating a database? Create database. That's the simple English. Hello.
Yeah.
So we just write create database. Simply just see create database space my DB and then end with this column. Okay. So देखो यहाँ पे here are 2 lightning symbols. This one lightning symbol, what it says देखो. Just a second. Execute the selected portion of the script or everything if there is no selection. Means if I selected like this, then it will only run these 4 lines. If didn't select anything, it will run all of the lines. But we don't want this. Let's see the second one. Execute the statement under the keyboard cursor. Means wherever my cursor is like here, then it will execute only this line. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Anyone any doubt?
And no doubt.
Okay, so let's run this thing. My cursor is here. I simply write create database and my database name, my DB. I just my cursor is here. I click this lightning symbol. See, as soon as I clicked it, here a new line is being done. Click 813 create database my DB. Create database MyDB, 1 row affected, and it takes 0.0042 seconds. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we created our database. Let's refresh the schemas here. This is known as schemas, you can see. Let's refresh this. See, MyDB database is here now because we created it. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Now let's go inside. See, here is this option. There is table, view, store procedure, and function. But all of these are empty right now because we just created our database and we didn't put anything inside our database. Okay, guys. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's create one more database. Create database demo DB. If this database name is demo DB, I'll run this. See, this thing also been here. Right click, green click means yes, it is been executed. Let's refresh this schemas and you can see demo DB is also present now here. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Now, let's say if we want to delete some database, So you can simply, I told you SQL is like writing English in a logical way. Okay. So drop database DemoDB means drop database and then database name. If I execute it, see, this is DemoDB. I execute it. See, DemoDB is been deleted and it is also showing us here that we run it. Hello, anyone, any doubts?
No, sir.
Confirm, guys. No one have any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. So now let's say we have this database MyDB and now we want to use it. In order to use it, you have to first go inside it. Okay. See, use MyDB because I want to use this database right now. Till now, we are only creating databases. Now we will go inside this database. So I go into here, cursor, and then run this. See, done. Execute it. Now means I can make changes in this database. So let's say, let's create some table. Okay. So let's say I first, if you are making some tables, that means you have to say create table. We are making now. So simply I said create table. Which table? Demo table. Okay. So demo table is the name of table, only the name of table. You can write anything here. Okay. So I said create table, demo table. And now I will tell this which columns I want in my table. So I want student ID int. See guys, what is this int? Actually, after the column names, we write the data type. What is data type? Data types are properties. Okay. These properties tell us which variable or which column has what kind of data. Let's say I said student ID to be int. Int means integer variable. Okay. Integer variable means numbers. Means in this student ID, there will only be numbers. Okay.
Yes.
And okay. Now last name and first name. Varchar 255, varchar 255. Actually, this varchar means characters. Okay. This is a data type for characters. There are many different data types which you can study. I will tell you how. But just learn these very important ones. Let's say varchar. And why we are writing 255? You can write any number inside it. This number means that you can only input this number of things. Let's say here it is written 25, 225, 255. So it means in last name, there can never be more than 255 values. Okay.
Yes.
Anyone
Yes.
any doubts? Hello.
No doubt.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Same with first name and last name. Then we close this bracket and then this cursor at the end. Let's run this. See, it's been executed. Now it's been executed. Let's refresh the schemas. And you can see now inside table something, there is something. Let's open the tables. Oh, the table which we have created, demo table is here. Let's open demo table. There is column, indexes, foreign key and trigger. So let's go into columns. Student ID, last name, first name. So we have created the first table, student name, ID, and last name. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's create another table. So create table student ID int, last name varchar, first name varchar, marks int, favorite subject varchar, height small int. Now, what is this small int? See, this is it. It depends on actually range. See, in int, there are bigger range. In small int, there will be small range. Why? See, a student ID can be of, let's say, this int have a range from, can you see my Google screen? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, we
Yes,
Okay.
can see.
So let's say SQL data types I have written here. The first link, let's open it. Now you can see there are many different types of, see, this is char, this is varchar. Both have input of size inside them. Okay. So in char, a fixed length string can contain letter, numbers, special character, size. The parameters specify length. The length in character can be from 0 to 255. Default is 1. In varchar, the length of character can be from 0 to 65,535. So all of these things are range. Let's say here, just here, see, small int. So in small int, we can specify the size. A small integer sign range from minus 32,768 to positive 32,767. Okay, this is small int's range. So we have put small int in height because we know that no one is gonna have more height than this. है ना? Hello. Hello guys.
Guys, can we have some verbal response?
Small int means it have a range from sign range from minus 32,768 to 32,767. Unsigned range is 0 to 65,535. The size of the parameter specify the maximum display width, which is 255. Same int. A medium integer sign from range from minus 21, but whatever this is, 214 crore 74 lakh 83,648 to positive that number. So this is the difference between these data types, nothing else. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Same thing here. ID int, last name varchar 255, first name varchar 255, marks int, favorite subject varchar 255, height is small int. Okay, let's run this thing. And you can run also by clicking on command enter, I think, or control enter. Just a second. Okay. What was the shortcut? Let me see. I think it's not working. Okay, I'm pretty sure it is control plus enter. I think it's not working on Mac, but I'm pretty sure it is control plus enter. Okay. Hello. Let's run this. I run this. You can see it is being shown here. If I refresh this, you can see inside my DB tables, there is now two tables, demo table and students table. And inside student tables, there are columns, student ID, name, last name, marks, favorite subject, height. Okay. Let's continue this. And if we want to delete some table, see in the database also there is a drop, and in tables also it is a drop. So let's say drop table and table's name. Drop table, table name. Let's run this. And you can see demo table is being deleted. See the code is being executed. Demo table is being deleted from the tables. Okay. And let's say if you want to see your table, this query, select this symbol here means all. Okay. Select all from student. Student is our table name. So select all from student means whatever inside that student table is, just show that. Okay, guys. Let's run this. See, it is showing us the table. Student ID, last name, first name, marks, favorite subject, height. But it is an empty table right now. Anyone, any doubt?
No, clear.
Okay, nice. Just a second. If anyone have any doubt, please ask. Okay, chalo. So guys, this is it for today. Okay. If you got any doubt, you can ask other. Okay. Please ask your doubt regarding the class. Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, Sidhu.
Hello. Yes. So this is a demo class for the data analyst role, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Could you please give us overview of a data analyst on a day-to-day job responsibilities, the skill sets needed,
I
and
just
down the
told
line
them,
the
see, at the start, I told the skill set. Okay. The basic skill set
I
of a
mean
data
the
analyst.
career progression and down the line in a 5 years, and after that, like what are the
So in data
like
analyst
no?
or in data analysis and in any IT fields, which I personally think it's all depends on the person which is learning that thing. Okay. See, the thing what I want to say about it, let's say I have seen freshers earning more than 5 year experienced persons, and I have seen experience or obviously earning more. Okay. The growth in this IT field all depends on the person which is working. Because see guys, don't think, let's say if you are learning data analysis, you will, and it is a industrial good job, it is very in demand and it always be in demand because data is accumulated very much. Okay, so you will definitely get a job. The ground reality is getting a job as a data analyst always depends on the person. Because let's say as a teacher, I taught you the things for a data analyst, but it depends on the person how much he wants to learn, how much he is willing to perfect the things, how much understanding he is building, how much practice he does. Okay, it never be sure that you will always earn from learning some skill. It always depends how good you want to make yourself in that skill. Okay, because some data analysts from 5 years are earning only 10 lakh rupees a package, and some data analysts are earning in only 3 years 50 lakh package. So basically, it's not luck. Okay, it's not like something they will get. It's all depends on how much they practice, how much they put on all building those skills. Okay.
Okay, thank you. But
Yes.
what is the other tools like programming languages, R or Python? How
R
much
is
role they play in?
Python. When you work as a fresher, you will mainly work in Power BI, Excel, and SQL. Okay. Python is used when the data is very big, like 1 crore values, 50 lakh values. Okay. And for a fresher, they will never assign you this much big of data. So you can pretty much sure even in your interviews as a fresher, there is a 99% chance they will not ask you Python. They will only ask you SQL, hardcore SQL.
Well, I'm looking for like say average 5 years of experience, not as a fresher. So in that scenario,
In that
if you
scenario,
can,
there are many things like AWS. You should know AWS. Okay. Portuguese SQL. Okay. I don't prefer to say R language for data analyst. It's for more for a data scientist because it is used for analyzing a data in finding a pattern manner way. So that's more for a data scientist. But it also depends on your designation. Let's say if you are shifted towards big data, then I will say you will learn PySpark. Okay, Dockers, these kind of things which help in handling the big data. Okay, guys. So, but I will prefer to get AWS, which is very important. If you if you want to go with a let's say experience and you want to upgrade yourself after 5 years, I will prefer as AWS over everything. Okay. Or you can say, if you have 5 years of experience in data analyst, you can easily switch towards machine learning and artificial intelligence also. Okay. You should get a good understanding of machine learning and artificial intelligence with statistics, and you can jump towards a analyst manager or a senior data scientist. Okay. Hello.
Yeah. Thank you.
Anyone else? Anyone ask to us?
Sir, I didn't see any opening in freshers in data analyst.
In freshers in data analyst.
Yes.
Where did you search that thing even?
Google.
Array,
Because normally I can see 1 or 2 years experience.
nothing
job
like
work.
that. No, you are wrong. See, what you guys are thinking, let me ask you. You must be thinking that if you complete this course, you will get a job. Guys, देखो, even when we are making a food now, there are many between steps, like cutting it, grinding it, okay, mashing it, then cooking it on a proper temperature. So how can you think that just going with a course will get you a job? Okay, you have to make projects first of all. Second, go for internships. You will have to work in an internship if you are a fresher. After that, the company will consider you, because let's say a company opening is there and you applied randomly. Okay. And then you are saying that there are 2000 people there. How can I get selected? So all of those 2000 people, what did you do different? Go for an internship. Learn from an internship. That will be different. From that 2000 people, I think 15%, 1500 people did it in an internship. Go for an internship. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Is
if
this
you
training
are,
for a fresher level
no, intermediate
experience?
to
Like,
advanced. See, we will go from beginner to intermediate, then above intermediate. But after above
Yeah.
intermediate, it depends on the person. If means you can say it depends on the person if you want to work or go on advanced level, because you cannot go on advanced level in just 3 to 4 months. Huh? You can build a good understanding and then work towards it.
yeah, your voice is breaking.
I'm saying you can easily go inside the, let's say, you can, what did you ask? I remember, I forgot.
My question was like, is this training everything the layout like now intended for the freshers training or
No, it's
intermediate?
from,
Yeah,
it will go from fresher to intermediate, then above intermediate, but it will not go to advanced, because advanced things is something in IT which the person learn when it understand the intermediate stuffs properly. And the person
Yeah,
who
I'm not
was
expecting at the advanced level, just intermediate to
more than intermediate.
Yeah.
That's our job. That's our job. No issue
All right.
about that.
All right,
See,
thank you.
the person who was saying that there are no openings for a fresher, let me share my screen and show you just live. I searched. Can you see? Business analyst deep throughout EduRec Ventures Private Limited, 3 to 3.6 lakhs, zero experience for a business analyst. Let's see the details. The details are business analysis. Just that thing. Probation period 6 months, 19,000 per month only for freshers. And after that, you will get a CTC of 3 to 3.6 lakhs. I think that's not an bad. See, annual CTC of 2.5 lakhs to 6, 0 to 2 years of experience. Freshers job, robotics trainer, data analyst, associate, junior data scientist, data engineer, data analyst, executive experience. You can see 0 to 1 year. Freshers jobs, 5 lakh data scientist. This is a 4 to 5 experience, but business analyst 0 to 2 years, 1 to 2 years of quality. Business analyst, data scientist 0 to 1, artificial intelligence, business analyst development. 7 days ago only. You can see all of these are only 7 days ago, 1 week ago. 0 to 1 analyst, junior data engineer, and data analyst executive 4 to 7 lakh CTC. Wow, see. See, it is only asking. You can see what it is saying. conduct data analysis using MS Word, develop integrated data collection systems, interpret data, analyze result, identifying trend patterns, collaborate with cross-functional teams, achieve data analysis goals, develop and maintain database for storage, data storage and retrieval, stay current on the industry trends and practice improve the data analysis process. Simple. Okay. Hello. Hello, guys.
Yeah, hello.
Yes. So, did you see right now? Whoever said that there are no fresher jobs. Chalo, anyone any doubt?
Guys, speak
I
up
wanted
if
to
you have.
ask, like, is
Yep,
this
sure.
are there any other timings for the classes, or this would be the only time?
We will discuss the timing. Okay.
Mhm.
Anything else regarding the course? Well, regarding this data analysis, not even the course, all the skills or anything you have doubt about data analysis, business analysis, and anything. Like many of you are maybe from a non-tech background, so you must be thinking that switching may be difficult. See, everything is difficult, but it's not that much difficult. Okay, you have to put yourself into it and don't think like if you are not from an IT background, so a IT professional will be better than you. No, it's not like that. Okay, so don't worry on these topics. So if you don't have any doubt, okay, so okay, so Saurav sir. Uh, hello, referee group
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay, so I think no one have any doubt. You can continue.
Okay, okay, sir. Thanks a lot, Priyanshu, sir. Thank you for the information. So guys, how was the class?
Yeah, good, sir.
Class was good. Okay, I hope whatever Priyanshu sir taught to us, everything was understood, right? So guys, from now on, the flow of your classes is going to be that from Monday to Friday, you'll be getting a regular live class for 1 hour every day, right? Somebody was asking the time slot also, guys. For time slot, you can refer to your management or to Pawan sir, I hope, right? Nitesh sir, they need to go and ask Pawan sir about the timings now.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah. So guys, you can go and ask Pawan sir about the timings. Is the right person to help you out in this thing, right? So from Monday to Friday, we'll be conducting a regular live class, and all these live classes will be as much interactive as it was today. You can even ask your questions anytime while switching on your mics, and whatever you have, you can ask in between the class also, right? For the practical part, after the completion of every particular technology or topic, you will be getting you will be getting to know about few projects, and you will be getting to do some projects also from our end, right? Uh, Apart from this, guys, is there anything else that you all want to ask? Any one of you? Anyone having anything for me, guys, apart from this? Yes, the
No, sir.
technologies, guys, will be covering up Python, SQL, Tableau, Power BI, and your Excel. Yes, somebody was asking something. Anything for me, guys? Do you have anything for me?
Okay, so if not any question, Saurabh sir, we can close this call and we can be in touch with the Pawan sir
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
uh, for anything else. You can connect with the Pawan sir, and all the details has been shared. But anything related to technical, you can ask your question. Otherwise, we can close the demo now.
Okay. So, guys, if you have anything to ask from me, you can ask. Otherwise, we are closing this call now. And if you have anything to ask related to the management or anything, please go and ask Pawan sir. He'll surely be helping you out in all these things, right? So thank you guys. Nitesh sir, we can close the call now.
Sure. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.